Are you experiencing brain fog or brain fatigue? What does it actually mean? Allow me to explain. First of all, let me go over what brain fog is. So brain fog would be like if you've ever had too many drinks and your brain just gets foggy, it's not firing correctly, that would be brain fog. Now what's brain fatigue? Brain fatigue is when you read a piece of paper or maybe look at the TV or when you're driving, you just feel tired. So there's really two different things that we're talking about. We're talking about brain fatigue and brain fog. Now what I want to do right now is bring your attention to this picture right here, which is this is a picture of a neuron. Now what you're actually looking at here in the middle is where you're seeing the blue dots right there. That's the myelin sheath. Now what happens if you're inflamed, that nerve impulse travels down the myelin sheath. So if you're inflamed, the impulse is not going to get there as quick and you're going to have brain fog or brain fatigue. Now in my experience, there's really 4 reasons why people have brain fog or brain fatigue. Number 1 is that you have some kind of food sensitivity to like gluten or dairy or soy. Number 2 is that you need to start taking fish oil. Fish oil is an essential fatty acid and that goes right into your brain. Number 3 is you may have low blood pressure. If you have low blood pressure, the pressure isn't getting up to your brain and feeding your brain. Number 4, if you've had any concussions in the past, even 20 years ago, that today can be causing brain fog and brain fatigue. If you enjoy this content, please like, comment, and share this with a loved one.